Hey guys, join me tonight as I open my CAS account to see my grades this semester. So actually, I'm already in my second sem na on Monday kasi nakapag-enroll na ako and I got my information also. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my grades last semester, which is my first semester in my third year college as a architectural drafting student in ESAPU. Okay. Anyway, guys. Ayun nga. Yun lang. Joke. Okay, start. Start. Ayun na nga, nahulog yung phone ko. Anyway, I'll start opening my account now, my portal. So, yeah. Ayun. Okay, login ko na yung account ko, guys. I'm kind of scared. Nakita ko na kasi yung tatlong grades ko and anim na lang yung hindi. Ano kasi, nagkamali yung prof ko sa isang subject ng pagbigay ng grades. So, inulat. And now, di ba pinalatan yung grades namin? So, yeah, we're going to see. Ano ba? Wait, look at this guys. Ilang dos meron ako? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Ay, ito na. Okay. Anyway, nakita ko na hindi yung grade ko. So, ITM 201, I got 1.5 research. Okay, research. Actually, wala naman akong ambag masyado. Wala talaga akong ambag. Joke. Presence. Yes. They have my presence. So, medyo helpful naman yun. So, yeah. Buti na yun kasi wala akong ambag. Sa foreign, I got 1.5. Wow. Wala akong matutunan pero I got 1.5. Ano lang. Watashi wa Shira. I don't know. Okay, next. Plumbing. I got 1.4. Okay. Atlas. Nakauno din kay ma'am. I mean, nakauno and then naka last time. Pero 1.9. And now, I got 1.4. Ang galing, okay. DOS, Industrial Production. Ayoko ng DOS na to. I would ask her why I got DOS kasi I did my best. I know. Hindi naman kasi ako magreklamo if alam ko naman sa sarili ko na deserve ko yung DOS. But, yeah, I don't feel like I deserve this DOS. So, I'ma ask my prof kung bakit siya nag-DOS or naging DOS. Yeah. PT313 Building Laws and Specification 1.6. So, ito yung isang DOS ko, pero mali na yung pagbigay ni sir ng grades. I mean, yung calculation niya mali. So, ayun, nag-iba yung grade ko from DOS, naging 1.6. Next, we have G8SS or the ethics. I got 1.4. I love this subject kasi marami akong natutunan about perception of other people or every people has perception and everything. So, yun, parang I love it. I love also the teacher. So, matutulog ako, char. Ano? Next, ITM 1A. I got 1.3. Ito yung mga grade na deserve ko from that professor kasi I do my best sa mga subjects na meron kami sa kanya. We have 3 subjects. So, I don't know, saan ang galing yung DOS? Like, no, please enlighten me. Okay, next. DT312 or the Surface Development and Prototypes 1.5. Okay. Medyo mahirap yung subject. Especially, it's not my... I mean, I love doing crafts. Pero parang hindi siya for me kasi medyo mahirap. Especially sa mga drawings. So, pero kinakaya. Okay lang. Next, we have, or the last subject, GLX7 or the Gender and Society. I got 1.6. Gender. Well, for this subject, this is the only subject na minsan hindi ko na-attendan yung class because this schedule is complicated. For example, yung out namin sa umaga is 11:30 and yung class is 2. So, I have to travel up from ISAT to my house. So, medyo malayo. And also, the transportation, mahirap. So, I'm glad I got my busy. So, congrats to me and thank you sa mga prof namin. But still, that was questionable siya for me. So, but I'm glad. Yeah, I'm glad for having this grades. Pero, that DOS, come on, bro. Saan ka nang galing? Well, I don't mind. Huwag ka na lang problemahin kasi matutulog na ako. It's getting late. Kasi it's already 11:19. So, I have to sleep. And, yeah. See you in my next vlog. And, next vlog, matagal-tagal pa. Anyway, guys. Bye!